Starting around 23 October 2023, Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.065 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.87% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. Doge really has an all-out market cap of $9,134,503,734, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $331,625,991, which explicitly is very critical. This generally makes Dogecoin, Doge, exceptionally positioning at 9 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin sort of be really worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Dogecoin in every way that really matters, wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? Will Doge cost especially outperform its untouched high, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? These are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a quite enormous manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost generally is supposed to in every practical sense cross an all things considered normal value level of $0.093, the normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to basically be $0.089. Or so they fundamentally thought. Besides, Doge can generally arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $0.098, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to explicitly be at around at least $0.072 in a very large manner. Dogecoin cost can by and large arrive at a limit of $0.082, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value forecast September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is by and large anticipated to especially reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, or so they essentially thought. The Doge cost could explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.085, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which really is genuinely huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, which especially is genuinely critical. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0.086 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin sort of is basically anticipated to in a real sense reach at a really least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, exhibiting how while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.086, which generally is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could generally arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.093, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is generally anticipated to in a real sense reach at an especially least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, in an essentially significant way. The Doge cost could in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.098, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, showing the way that the Doge cost could generally arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.098, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, or so they by and large thought. Dogecoin essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost in every practical sense has shown in every practical sense great increment of 6.4% in the truly most recent 24 hours, so the Doge cost could arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.098, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Showing the way that the Doge cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.098, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. From most recent 7 days, the Doge explicitly was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 7.85%, showing how Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.086 in November 2023. Exhibiting how while the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.086 in an extremely significant manner. Dogecoin basically has shown exceptionally solid areas of strength for of all goals and purposes potential recently, and this could be most certainly great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, which really is very critical. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge basically diminished by 32.025%, dispensing with an incredible extremely normal amount of $0.030 from its sort of current worth, in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent explicitly purchase an open door for especially speedy speculation, showing how Dogecoin value expectation September 2023, the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense, is in a real sense anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change basically is near 25.27%, and the value sort of flowed from a base commonly normal cost of $0.085 to really greatest truly normal cost of $0.088 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, showing how Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Doge cost by and large is supposed to for the most part cross a by and large normal value level of $0.093, the normal essentially least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to generally be $0.089 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin in a real sense is somewhere near 9.71%, with the for the most part greatest typical cost of the coin truly was around $0.076, and the sort of least commonly normal cost of by and large was around $0.073 in exceptionally beyond 4 months, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Dogecoin worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Doge cost explicitly is determined to truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $0.098, with sort of least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge. Does Dogecoin generally have a future, which truly is very critical? As far as value, Dogecoin explicitly has a remarkable really potential to arrive at new levels, showing that besides Doge can generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.098 in an essentially enormous manner.